Imagine the bustling streets of New York City, where David Martinez, a pastry chef beloved for his decadent desserts, confronts an unexpected challenge. Known for his sugary confections, David's life swirls like his signature pastries when he receives a life-changing diagnosis of type 2 diabetes. Faced with this new reality, his relationship with his beloved carbs must change. David, undeterred, sets out on a transformative journey, delving into the world of the ketogenic diet. It's here in the heart of the city that his quest for health and flavor begins, marking the start of something truly groundbreaking. In the quiet comfort of his Brooklyn kitchen, David Martinez battles with his new reality. Each day is a test of will, as he tries to reinvent the recipes that made him a star. Flour clouds the air, as sugar and carbs are swapped for keto-friendly substitutes. With each attempt, frustration mounts, pastries crumble and hopes deflate. Yet, David's spirit never wavers. His hands, skilled and steady, eventually craft the perfect low-carb croissant. It's not just a pastry, it's a triumph, a beacon of hope. David's journey of transformation continues, one bake at a time. Riding the wave of his culinary breakthrough, David Martinez makes a bold move. Sweet Innovations, once a temple to sugar, undergoes a transformation as profound as his own. The sign above the door now reads Keto Kreations. Inside, the scent of innovation mingles with the familiar aroma of baking. Skepticism from longtime patrons and his own team challenges him, yet David's vision is clear. Slowly, curiosity turns into admiration as newcomers step through the doors, enticed by the promise of guilt-free indulgence. Each keto-friendly dessert becomes a silent testament to David's evolving journey. David Martinez's journey doesn't end within the walls of Keto Kreations. His vision to empower others ignites a new chapter. Launching the Beyond Bread workshop, he opens his doors wider, inviting the community to dive into the art of keto baking. People from all walks of life, bound by dietary challenges, gather, hungry for knowledge and new skills. David's workshops not only demystify keto cooking but foster a supportive network. United by a common strive for healthier alternatives, they bake, share stories, and inspire each other, spreading the keto wave far beyond the bakery's counters. David Martinez's Keto Kreations is no longer just a local sensation. A feature story in a prominent health magazine propels him onto the global stage, turning his bakery into a beacon for change. Now, his innovative ideas are accessible worldwide through an online store, inspiring millions to embrace a ketogenic lifestyle. David has shown that even in a world dominated by carbs, the appetite for healthy, delicious alternatives is vast. His daring vision redefines bread-making traditions, proving that change is not only possible but also profoundly satisfying and universally welcomed.